What's up everybody, MTmotoRIDER here, and today I want to talk about chain maintenance. So if you own a bike with a chain and you don't know much about chain maintenance or don't really do any chain maintenance, you really should. It's actually really important to keep your chain clean and lubed, and to keep the chain slack adjusted for that matter. I try to clean and lube my chain around every 500 miles. Sometimes sooner if I ride a whole lot, like during the summertime. I actually wanted to do this video because I do get a lot of questions about how I maintain my chain and how often I do it. Like I just mentioned, I try to do it every 500 miles. You could probably get away with 500 to 1,000 miles, especially if you don't ride a whole lot. My 2019 Yamaha MT-09 has approximately 8,539 miles on it, and I'm going to show you what my chain looks like. So that is the stock 525 chain that came on my bike. I bought it back on May 6th, I believe, in 2019. And like I said, I put 8,539 miles on it. And that is how my chain looks, because I keep it maintained, I keep it clean, keep it lubed up, keep the slack adjusted on it, so then it will take care of me. If you take care of your motorcycle, it'll take care of you. As far as how I clean it, all I do is use a spray bottle with kerosene in it. That's all I use, just kerosene. I spray kerosene on it, maybe let it soak for a few minutes or whatever, and I use this brush to clean it with. That's all it is. Some kind of small detail brush with hard bristles that I found here at the house. That's what I clean my chain with, and it gets it looking brand new every time. It's not really hard to do. If you stay on top of it, it's even easier to keep clean. But that is all I use is kerosene. Most of the time, if I decide to clean the chain, I will do the chain first and then wash the entire bike. And then once I'm done washing the entire bike, I will use a leaf blower to dry everything off, especially get most of the water I can out of the chain. And then I will use Maxima chain wax. That's what I use to lube my chain, is Maxima chain wax. And I always let it sit overnight. I never put the chain wax on it and then ride it, because it'll just sling it off. I always make sure that I'm done riding for the day if I decide to clean the chain or wash the bike or whatever. And I will put my Maxima chain wax on, and then I'll put the bike up in my building and let it sit overnight. So that way the wax has a chance to dry and set up, and then I'm good to go the next time I want to ride. So that way it's not slinging the wax off as soon as you put it on. Like I said, it's really easy to maintain a chain, especially if you keep it up. I think I bought like a 1 or 2 gallon gas jug, and I keep kerosene in it, and then I just pour that into my spray bottle and use the spray bottle to soak the chain down, and then scrub it with the brush I showed you. And it's really not that hard at all, and it keeps my chain looking brand new. There's really no excuse for not keeping your chain up if you ride a bike with a chain on it, because it's very important to keep it clean, keep it lubed, and keep the slack adjusted on it. I actually get a lot of questions because I usually post pictures on my Instagram and my Facebook after I'm finished cleaning the chain. That's where I get all the questions from. So I just wanted to share this video to give you guys a little bit of an insight on what I personally do. I'm sure there's different things to use to clean a chain, different methods, but that is what I do. I'm not saying it's right, I'm not saying it's wrong, but just wanted to share that with you guys. If you have any questions, or if I missed anything about maintaining the chain, let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.